Hello everyone, after gathering information, the next crucial step is evaluating data sources. If we only collect information without verification, we might rely on inaccurate or misleading data. Therefore, today's lesson focuses on the criteria and tools that help us assess and verify information effectively. There are several basic criteria for evaluating digital information. Up-to-date check whether the data is recent and reflects the current situation. Relevance determine whether the content matches your research, study, or work needs. Legality, authority. Ensure the source has a clear author, copyright, and official origin. Accuracy, verify whether the information is supported by evidence, cited sources, and reliable data. Purpose, objectivity. Consider the intention behind the information. Is it meant to share knowledge or promote a product? Example. When reading a financial report, check the publication year and issuing organization to ensure the data is not outdated. When evaluating a website, pay attention to author. Is the author clearly identified and transparent? Nature and purpose. Is it an academic or reputable news site, or merely for commercial purposes? Example. A website from the Ministry of Planning and Investment is more reliable than a personal blog about investment policies. The website domain is also an important factor. .edu, educational sites, generally reliable, but distinguish between official content and student posts. .gov, government sites, highly reliable but may reflect a political perspective. .org, nonprofit organizations, often provide useful information but may have specific agendas. .com, commercial sites, sometimes primarily focused on selling products or services. Example. Compare worldbank.org, reliable, with an unknown.com website. Misinformation is very common on the internet. Common types include clickbait, shocking headlines created to attract views. Propaganda, serves political purposes. Misleading headline, the real content differs from the title. Biased news, reflects only one-sided opinions. Imposter content, fake websites imitating reputable sources. Example. Some sensational news sites often post articles like miracle cure for all diseases, but the content is false. To combat misinformation, you should identify unusual or suspicious signs. Evaluate information based on the 5 criteria learned. Avoid sharing or spreading fake news. Report it to social media platforms or relevant authorities. Example. If you see a sensational post claiming gas prices dropped by 90%, verify the source before sharing. Facebook has a mechanism for reporting fake news. You can do it by following these steps. Click the 3 dots on the post. Select Report Post. Choose False Information. The system will receive and process your report to help limit the spread of fake news. There are many tools for fact-checking information, such as Tinea.gov.vn, specializes in verifying news. Google Reverse Image Search, TinEye, InVid help check images and videos. Example. When you see a viral image, you can use Google Reverse Image Search to verify its origin. Other supporting tools. NewsGuard plugin helps evaluate the credibility of news websites. GPT-0 detects content generated by AI. Note, these tools are only supportive. Critical thinking is still essential. Example. AI can detect machine-generated text, but it may still make mistakes when encountering new data. Advantages and disadvantages of automated tools. Advantages. Fast, capable of processing large amounts of data, and reduces human bias. Disadvantages. Limited understanding of context, vulnerable to manipulation, and dependent on training data. Example. AI can detect patterns of fake news, but may fail to recognize satirical articles.